As the founder and inspiration for over 160 schools worldwide, run by the Loretto sisters, Mary Ward's vision for women is the foundation of our community here at Loretto Abbey. Mary Ward's passion for women's education lives daily in the spirit of Loretto Abbey as our students continue to nurture, inspire, and encourage others to wholeheartedly embrace life with laughter, courage, and a love for one another. And you belong here.
Hi, I'm Fatima.
And I'm Sabrina.
And we heard that you're thinking of joining the Abbey.
We're here to tell you everything you need to know about life at Loretto Abbey.
First off, we have lots of amazing clubs that range from our very own anime club to our competitive debate team. And if you don't find a club that fits your interests, you can always start your own with the help of our teachers.
We also have lots of sports teams that help you stay involved in the sports you love while showing off your Abbey spirit. Some of the sports we have are a soccer team, a hockey team, a curling team, and even a ski team.
You always have an event to look forward to at the Abbey, whether it's the Christmas assembly, Black History Month presentation, or our multi-night that displays performances from a variety of cultures found at our school.
But at the end of the day, what makes the Abbey so special are the friends you make and the community you are surrounded by.
Even after you graduate, you have a bond with your fellow Loretto graduates who will be there to help and support you years after you leave the school.
Because when you join the Abbey, you join a community for life. My name is Amanda King. I'm a Loretto Abbey alumni from the class of 2019, and I'm currently at the University of Toronto St. George campus with an English major and a double minor in biology and education society. I spent all 4 years at the Abbey, and that was such a great decision on my part because our staff, not only our teachers, but our entire staff, know how important it is to balance our academics and our extracurriculars. And we'd be having Christmas and spring concerts and music, we'd have multicultural night, we'd have all these events year round, and the Abbey would never sleep, but we'd also still be doing well at school, which is such a benefit due to the student support and the staff support that we get. So if you come to the Abbey, you can expect so much to happen while you're at school, but to be involved somewhere, somehow, and have a great time. So I hope you consider coming to the Abbey, and good luck with high school. Bye!
Bonjour, je m'appelle Abigail,
Eva et Kira, et nous sommes des étudiants du programme français intensif ici à Loretto Abbey. Ici à Loretto Abbey, nous avons beaucoup d'occasions d'explorer la langue et la culture française.
L'objectif du programme de français intensif est de développer les connaissances et les compétences en français des étudiants et de fournir une appréciation de la culture francophone au Canada et dans le monde.
À la fin du programme de 4 ans, les étudiants seront en mesure d'échanger librement et en toute confiance en français avec la musique, les médias, la littérature et les actualités françaises avec elles.
Et s'épanouir dans une communauté francophone ou dans un environnement de travail bilingue.
Les expériences mémorables incluent des ateliers de cuisine chef à l'école,
Fréquenter des festivals de films français, des pièces de théâtre
et des excursions culturelles aux lieux francophones.
Nous avons hâte de vous rencontrer.
Hello, my name is Lily Adams, and I'm the principal of Loretto Abbey. Our school, founded in 1847, has a long tradition of educating young women through strong academics enriched by co-curricular and leadership activities. Our foundress, Mary Ward, said in a time when women were seen as inferior and not as equals, women in time will come to do much. Well, that time is now. We believe in building strong, independent citizens who will contribute much in the society of tomorrow. Now more than ever, we need the leadership of women who exemplify gospel values to act for justice and peace. As young women, you are our hope for a better future, a future where we can all live in harmony and dignity, where we will prosper and thrive. We hope you can envision your future self, because at Loretto Abbey, we are ready to support you to be and to do all that you dream for yourself. You belong here.
Salut tout le monde, je m'appelle Chiara et je suis ancienne élève de Loretto Abbey de la classe de 2022, currently in my first semester of engineering science at the University of Toronto. And I'm here to tell you a little bit about my experience at the Abbey and how it prepared me for university. At school, I was the executive member of Molly Wen. I was also executive member of the French club. I was on the softball team my grade 12 year. I was also in extended French and in the AP stream for English and math. It really helped me to create balance during high school. So it wasn't all about academics, it wasn't all about having fun, but it was kind of that good in between. Also, the staff at the Abbey, they're all very supportive and welcoming and push you to be the best version of yourself that you can be, and they all really do care about you. Even though I'm only in my first month at the University of Toronto, the Abbey helped me socially and challenged me academically enough so that I feel very prepared for university. Not only does the Abbey prepare you to be successful in the future academically, but also it helps you just become a better person and be a better version of yourself. Bonne chance et j'espère que vous venez à Loretto Abbey. Au revoir.
My name is Lily Naylor. I've been at Loretto for 3 years now, and I'm going to show you what it means to be an Abbey athlete. Firstly, being an Abbey athlete means having the opportunity to learn valuable leadership and communication skills, whether it's helping a teammate find their heat or teaching teammates one of our weirdly named offensive inbound plays. You're learning what it takes to be a valuable asset to any group you encounter in the future. And let's not forget about that cool team swag that's perfect to wear on Spirit Days or Civvies Days. And while being able to leave class early for a game or competition is one of the best feelings in the world, it's important to keep a balance between practice and studying. Managing time for both schoolwork and practice takes lots of self-discipline, but you know what they say, work hard, play hard. It'll all pay off in the end. All in all, I'd have to say my favorite part of being an Abbey athlete is the great community. You get to make so many new friends that you wouldn't have made otherwise because of a grade gap, and you get to meet so many new staff that you wouldn't have had because you don't take their classes. Seriously though guys, I'm grateful every day for the opportunity to represent Loretto Abbey on and off the court, field, or in the swimming pool. And maybe I won't be the one to get to see you play, but I'm sure everyone in the Loretto community is so excited for you to become the next generation of Abbey athletes. Cheers. Thanks guys.
Hi, my name is Akita. I'm a grade 11 student and I've been taking music. I've been on the music council for the past 3 years and I am now a vice president. I recommend taking music because we create bonds to the point that we call each other a family who supports and motivates each other. We develop creativity, teamwork, and auditory skills as well as self-confidence, and we have many opportunities to share our love for music. Music has been the best parts of my high school years, and I recommend you to take it too.
Hi, I'm Emily, a grade 11 student, and this is my 3rd year taking art in high school.
Hi, I'm Taya, and I've been doing art for the past 4 years.
I would recommend taking art as it has many benefits. It lowers stress, and it's an opportunity to work with my hands.
I've exceeded my own expectations and worked with mediums I've always loved to create work that I really admire.
It builds confidence, allowing me a creative outlet that encourages self-expression.
I've become more comfortable and confident in my own skills, and I'm so glad that I took art these past 4 years.
It's my favorite class that has made high school so memorable, and I recommend you take art in your high school years.
Hi, my name is Michaela, and I'm in grade 10 at the Abbey. I'm in the pre-AP Visual Arts and Drama courses. Drama at the Abbey has encouraged me to be confident with myself and collaborate with my peers. The teachers at the Abbey have encouraged me to do my best. The teachers in these departments make high school an enjoyable experience that I will never forget.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Hi there. Welcome.
Welcome to the Abbey, everyone.
Bienvenue à Loretto Abbey.
Welcome.
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 Welcome to the Abbey. You belong over here.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome to the Abbey.
환영합니다.
Bienvenue à Loretto Abbey.
Bem-vindos a Loretto Abbey.
Mabuhay.
Benvenuti.
Bienvenidos a Loretto Abbey.
You belong here.
You belong.
You belong here.
You belong here. Vous appartenez ici.
You belong here.
Vous appartenez ici. You belong here. You belong here. You belong here.
We can't wait to see you.
And we can't wait to meet you.